What's the meaning of Baptist? Baptist. Baptist.
Baptist. Baptist. The term Baptist refers to a group of Christian denominations that emphasize the practice of baptism, which involves immersing a person in water to symbolize their acceptance of Jesus Christ as their Savior and their commitment to living a new life in accordance with His teachings. The origins of the Baptist tradition can be traced back to the 17th century, with the development of the Puritan movement in England. Today, there are numerous Baptist denominations throughout the world, each with their own unique beliefs and practices. However, all share a common emphasis on the importance of personal faith and individual responsibility for salvation.